Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technical KR. So this video is all going to be about a budget friendly tripod, and also I hope you all will like the video. And now let's get started. So guys, we have the tripod over here, the Yungteng video tripod. Its model is VCT880, and also we have the specifications of the tripod over here. And also let me read all the specifications out for you all. It is fluid 360 panning and also swift quick connecting system, and also it has a steady grip rubber feet, then extendable telescopic legs, and also lightweight, which is made up of aluminium alloy. Now, so yes guys, now let's unbox this one. Okay guys, so they have given the tripod in a cover. By the looks, I can tell you all that this cover is also of good quality. So here we have the this is the tripod guys. So yes guys, these both are the things we got in the box. One is the tripod and one is the bag for tripod. And also now let me explain you all about the tripod. So yes guys, first of all let me tell you all about the weight of the tripod. This tripod nearly weighs 2.8 kilograms, and also it can withstand a weight of 5 kilograms on it. And also let me talk about the height of the tripod. Before extending, it nearly has a height of 28 inches, and when it is totally extended, it has a height of 68 inches, which is nearly 5 feet 5 inches. So yes guys, this is the handle of the tripod. First of all, let me lift this one up. So when you get the package, this handle will be moving guys, because this screw is loose. First of all, let's tighten it. Now this is tightened up. Now the handle is not moving. And now let me tell you about the panning and tilting. This is a screw for tilting up and down guys. When we lose this screw, this part gets tilted up and down. And when you tighten this up, this doesn't move, but it moves a little bit. And this is for 360 panning. When it is loose, it will rotate, and when you tighten it up, it will not move. So this is the bubble meter guys. This helps us to find out whether it is on the even surface or the uneven surface. And coming over here, this is the place we are going to keep the camera. Of course, you all know where to place the camera. Let me show you all how to keep the camera over here. First, pull out this lever, then this pops out. Take out this one and place the camera where the screw is present. Over here down you can find how to tighten this one. Then again keep it and push it back. After pushing, press this lever once. Then it will get locked again. Now it will not move. So yes guys, over here I have my Sony CyberShot camera, and I am going to fix this to this one. As I told you, I am rotating the screw. Now it's totally fixed. You can even see over here. Now let me fix it. Push the lever. Then it is it. Now it's locked guys. Now let me show you all how long does this get elongated. So yes guys, first of all let me tell you all about the rubber grips over here. These are movable and it will be fixed according to the surfaces. And now let me extend it and show you all. So yes guys, it is totally extended. and also if you want, you can get it more further extended. Now these legs are not going to extend, but over here this rim is going to get extended. Let me show you how. Just loosen this wheel up, then rotate this screw. So this is the totally extended tripod, guys. Yes guys, if there is an enemy surface like this, with the help of tripod legs we can extend it or decrease it according to the sizes, and we can fix it. And now you can see on an uneven surface also it is exactly the same. And also further, let me show you the shots with the tripod. So guys, now you are watching the video clips which are taken with the help of the new Yungteng tripod. I hope you are going to enjoy these video clips, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I am going to leave the link of the tripod in the description, so please check it out. Not only these video clips, guys, you can even make more wonderful video clips if you are having the tripod. If you have found the information very useful, then try to buy the tripod, and even don't forget to like my video. So yes guys, this is only for this video, and also I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and also I do hope that you all will like, share and comment to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.